Multivitamins, the safety net of the supplement world. But the vegan ones, less net, more marketing trampoline. Welcome to the Vegan Repair Kit, where we expose the pills that look helpful, but act useless. Vegan multis are often stuffed with the cheapest synthetic forms of nutrients. Folic acid instead of folate, cyanocobalamin instead of methyl B12, iron that rusts your guts, zinc that barely absorbs, and calcium, the kind that clogs arteries faster than oat milk clogs livers.
What we do here is go back.
Just because it's in the capsule doesn't mean it's in your body. Most of these synthetic nutrients have terrible bioavailability, especially without the fat-soluble cofactors you'd get from meat, eggs, or liver.
Well, that's 30 pounds down the drain.
If you've got the MTHFR mutation, and many do, folic acid can actually make things worse. Mental fog, anxiety, fatigue, even histamine issues can worsen on the wrong form of B9 or B12. The vegan multivitamin isn't fixing you. It might be frying your circuits. Want bioavailable nutrients without a science lab? Eat beef liver, eggs, sardines, red meat. One ribeye has more usable nutrients than a whole bottle of vegan vitamins pretending to be clever. If your vegan multivitamin let you down, you're not broken. You're just underfed. Subscribe to the Vegan Repair Kit, comment below with your worst supplement regret, and get your blood back on track at compositionconsultant.com. And if you want the real blueprint, grab your copy of Beef Up Carnivore Bible, only $12, and start feeding your body like it matters. Next week, the Fake Meat Files, Part 1, Beyond Beef, Beyond Belief. Things are about to get textured.
Real food, real gains.
In a world where strength defines legends, unleash your inner legend. Join the carnivore muscle movement today.